Hello there everyone. In this tutorial video guys, I will demonstrate what is a logic error in computer programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching and commenting on all my videos. So let's get started. Every one of us, when you start learning how to program, encounters different kinds of errors in computer programming. One of the most common type of error is logic error. So when we will define logic error, it means that logic error is a bug in computer programming. That means the result that we are expecting to see is not the same. Okay, for example, addition of two numbers. Let's say first value is 2, second value is 3. We are expecting the result is 5 because we want to have addition operation. Okay, but our program, instead of performing addition 2 and 3, it performs multiplication, so the result is 6. So multiplication operation is very different to addition operation. So it is called logic error in computer programming. Most of the time, logic error can be corrected only by the computer programmer. Okay, so let me write some code in C++ to illustrate what I'm trying to discuss, no? Okay, let us erase this, the whole thing, no? So sharp include IOStream using namespace std and main. Okay, so I will declare two variables here, a, b, and we have here c, no? Now a equals 2, b equals 3, and then c we would like to have addition, but instead we do some multiplication here by using the operator asterisk, no? So console out, let's say the sum of a and b is, calling the assignment operator c. Let us save our work here. Okay, addition.cpp for C++. When we compile and run our program, the sum of 2 and 3 is 6. It is very obvious that the sum of 2 and 3 is not 6 but 5. So it is a logic error because instead of addition, we put multiplication. So we can make some correction here. Instead of asterisk, we can put a plus sign. Save, compile and run. So we have here the right result. The sum of 2 and 3 is 5. This is just a very simple illustration of the concept of logic error in computer programming. In this case, I'm using C++ programming language. But this principle can be applied on any programming language. Maybe it is a C, Java, JavaScript, Perl, Scala, C#, basic or even Pascal or Visual Basic, for example, the concept is still the same. The only difference is the implementation and the language construct. I hope that you learned something new in this very short tutorial video on how to identify or understand logic error in computer programming. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. If you have some question, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.